How to change color scheme in Shopify. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change color scheme in Shopify. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account in Shopify, you could also use my affiliate link below the description where I earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is Shopify, it is a comprehensive e-commerce platform that enables businesses of all sizes to create and manage their online stores effectively. With a wide range of features and tools, Shopify simplifies the process of setting up and running an e-commerce business. And also, Shopify offers various ways to sell, including selling in person with Shopify POS, selling with Shopify's online store, and selling on Shopify's other online channels such as social media, where businesses can choose the selling method that best suits their needs and can even combine multiple selling channels to reach a wider audience. And now, to create an account on Shopify, just click the link in the description, or you could also click the Start Free Trial button on the top right corner. And after signing in, you will be directed on this page, in which you'll be able to see here the homepage on the left side panel, orders, products, customers, content, analytics, and any other option. However, to start customizing the color scheme in Shopify online store, all we need to do is to click the online store, and under themes, all we need to do from here is to choose what kind of website we need to customize. And by clicking this customize button, we'll automatically be directed on this page. And from here, to start adding or changing the color scheme of this web page, we could also choose to add other sections such as this add section under template, in which it will show us in here a variety of sections that we can add. For instance, I'm going to add contact form. By clicking this one, it will automatically show us in here that the contact form has now been added in our website. And on the left side panel, it will show us in here different kind of color scheme that we can choose from. You can see I just changed into black, red, and any other color depending on your preferences. Then below, you could also navigate the section padding to customize the sizes of your top padding or bottom padding. And also the custom CSS that you can add here, a kind of code to change the background of your section. And now in changing the color scheme, just click this edit button right here. It will show you a variety of colors such as background color, background gradient, text, solid button background, and many more. And by simply clicking this connect dynamic source button, it will show us in here different kind of color. We have here primary color 1, 2, primary contrasting color, but that is just only limited. But if you want to choose two more options, you can simply click this background color, this red, and on this color palette, you can simply choose what kind of color in here by simply adjusting this color palette in here, such as you can adjust to make it lighter or even darker. But below, it will show in here some of the currently or recently selected color on this section. And as you can see from here, by simply adjusting the color, we can simply choose different kind of background in our section in here. And upon clicking on any of this color, it will show you the changes that happen under in our section. But let's say in those options, I'm going to choose this color right here. And after that, I'm going to change the color of the text by clicking this one and choosing the right color, which is black. And now for the button, we can simply choose different kind of color in here depending on our preferences, in which we can simply choose this one or any other color in here, but make sure that the color of this button will highlight the background and also the text color. And as you can see below, we could also add here or customize the outline button and even add a shadow in here. Now going back in here, aside from that, we could also customize other section depending on your preferences. Now as you can see, we just also customize some of this padding theme settings. We could also customize the heading size and even change the context of this that says contact form. So I'm going to customize this to contact us. So this is basically what the customer will see if they try to visit our website, in which they need to fill out all of this required information to send or to contact us. Now moving on, if we scroll down, it will show us in here the CSS or custom CSS, wherein from here we can simply paste the code that will change the background color of this section. So for example, I'm going to enter here or paste this code that I also encoded in here, Google Docs. So this is basically what it looks like. You can simply copy this or type it directly. But at this point, I'm just going to copy all of this part. And as you can see, it has here a background color that says, and also a color number in here. And that number has corresponding color. If you want to change this, just highlight this and go to Google and type hex color picker. And from here, under the color palette, we can simply choose different kind of color. And below, it will show us the code or number Then we can simply copy this part or code and paste this directly in here in this code. And after pasting this, it will show us in here that we can now simply copy this part and paste this in this custom CSS. Upon pasting this part, you should see here the result or change in color. But at this point, it's not working or there's an error. But if you paste this kind of code under this custom CSS, you should see here the result of the change in color of your section background, depending on the color that you pick on Hex Color Picker, which is this one that I picked. So that's the other way on how you can pick a color or customize the color scheme in here. The other one is by clicking this edit button under this color scheme, in which upon clicking on it, it will show us in here a variety of color palette that we can choose from. Or you could also use this Hex Color Picker on Google and simply copying this code and paste it in here. In which upon pasting this one, you'll be able to see here the result. But all you need to do is to wait for it to load, or you can simply refresh this part. And you should see this kind of color. But to change this, you could also pick another color if you want to and copy this code. And now as you can see, the color has now been changed. And to customize this one again, I'm going to paste the other code, which is the color pink. Upon pasting the code, we'll be able to see here the result or the changes. So that is just basically the other way on how we can start customizing the color scheme in our page in this section. Then from here, once again, we could also start customizing the section padding, such as the top and the bottom padding sizes. Now moving on in here, we could also start adding different kind of section depending on your preferences and start customizing their color scheme for background the same way that we did earlier. For example, under this kind of section, I'm going to choose this one, which is called Rich Text section. By clicking this one or dragging it in here, it will automatically show us in here the Rich Text section. And we can also start customizing this one, which is by clicking under this color scheme, changing the background a bit, and many more. In which once again, we can simply choose to any of this brand color or on this color palette, or we could also use this Hex Color Picker and just copy the code that we prepare, such as, for example, this color right here. Upon copying this code, we can now go back on this page and simply enter here the code that we just copied, and you will be able to see here the changes. But moving on, if you also want to change the color into gradient color or two or more color, just proceed by clicking this background gradient, in which we can simply select here different kind of color and also adjust this circle in order to change the gradient color. And after selecting it, you'll be able to see here the result, in which the whole section has now been changed into this gradient color. Basically, it is important to change the color scheme since the colors you choose for your store should align with your brand identity and help convey your brand's personality to customers. And the right color scheme can make your store visually appealing and create a pleasant shopping experience for customers. And now to save the changes, just click the save button on the top right corner. And after that, we can now proceed by clicking this preview in order to see what it looks like when a customer tries to visit our website. So this is basically the changes that we made and the color scheme that we just customized. So overall, that is just basically how you can change color scheme in Shopify. Thank you.